I've opened up a logo here, which as you can see has quite a bit of JPEG artifacts in it, making it really quite messy. I'm going to show you how we can clean this up very quickly and easily using the Sculptor 2 2D editing functions. First of all, we need to go ahead and bring this on in. Select Flip Y to get the orientation correct. And then we could actually lower this out, taking the background out and reducing the depth. In this case, though, I think we're just going to go ahead and use the Z scale, reduce it down to a more manageable size, and then go ahead and bring the file in. Once we have it in, let's go to the 2D editing functions. This gives us the ability to select areas. We can select using a circle or oval selection, a rectangular selection. We can select using a polyline, and then double click to close. And of course we have a magic wand. In this case, we're going to set this to be continuous, and we're going to make sure that our tolerance is fairly high. We just grab that whole layer in the back. And then use our dropper to select the depth that we wish to fill to. Use a brush to fill that in a controlled manner if we wish, or just select the fill tool and fill that entire area. Now, also point out that our selected regions work with our 3D sculpting tools, and those tools will only work within the selected region. Back to our 2D tool. We can go back to our magic wand again. Let's select the next area we want to use, and let's select Add. We can add regions or subtract regions. Add in the other regions of that same color. Again, use our dropper to select the depth we wish, and then select Fill. We only have to select on one of those areas. It's going to fill all of those selected regions. Back to our magic wand, select Single Selection. Let's grab that last portion. Again, we use the dropper and then fill. To unselect, just select in the selected region. We can go back to our 3D view here, and you can see we have very quickly cleaned up that logo with the 2D editing tools in Sculptor 2.